Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari and today we are diving into a review of the affiliate business system or ABS for short. And if you have been looking for ways to make money online but feel overwhelmed by the options, this video is for you. And guys, at any time of this video, if you like to discover my favorite strategy that which is making me and individuals thousands of dollars every month from comfort of their home just by making use of my ebook, then I request you to please get it from the first link in the description. I actually sell it for $25 on other platform, but if you're watching this video right now, then you can grab it for absolutely free from the first link in the description. Now, there are so many affiliate marketing platforms out there and it can be hard to tell which ones are legit and which ones are just a waste of time and money. But today, we are going to break it down all for you. Okay, and we'll take a deep dive into the affiliate business system, its features, pros and cons, and whether or not it's worth your time. Let's get started. Alright, now the question is, what is ABS? The affiliate business system or ABS is an all-in-one affiliate marketing platform designed by a guy named Vic. It's perfect for both beginners and more experienced marketers. What makes it different is the question. ABS lets you create your own customizable money hub. Sounds fancy, right? A money hub is basically your branded website where you can promote different affiliate offers. You can use your own domain name, logo, and even create custom videos. This makes your site looks professional, way better than just using a plain affiliate link. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that makes ABS stand out. First, you can create a fully branded hub using a share code, and this means you can personalize your domain, logo, and everything else so that your site looks unique and professional. And guys, if you purchase this ABS and get into the system, you'll be having a complete guide based on this ABS setup, like around 10 days. So if you're interested, then you can follow these videos and create your own money hub. And then after, ABS also includes a built-in blog, and you can write articles and even add ads that link back to your funnels. This helps bring in organic traffic. There's also a private social media platform where you can build a community and connect with potential customers. It's like Facebook but totally branded to your business. And guys, if you like to give a look with this hub, okay, you can please visit the URL which you are seeing on the screen, or you can find all the links in the description down below. So let's see how does ABS actually work. Step 1, you need to set up your money hub and customize it with your own branding. This is where all your marketing starts. So there is a complete tutorial. If you're once into the ABS system, you'll be getting all the training sessions for absolutely free. Step 2, activate your sales funnel. ABS gives you pre-built funnels that are ready to go. All you have to do is use a share code to activate them. So there is a clear instructions like how to do it. It's very easy to create your own money hub. Within just clicks, within a minute or two, you will be having your money hub generated ready for you. And step 3 is to build your audience through the private social platforms. ABS also offers free resources, training, and value to your audience to warm them up before promoting your offer. Step 4, drive traffic to your money hub using ABS training resources. You get access to some advanced training strategies through their Internet Traffic Academy, which is pretty awesome. Alright, now let's quickly go over the pros and cons of the affiliate business system. Let's talk about the pros first. It's beginner friendly and it's done for you system that's easy to set up. Second, customizable branding. You can make it your own, unlike other affiliate programs. Third, traffic training, which is very important. You get advanced strategies to drive visitors to your brand. And when we talk about the cons, it's not free. ABS costs around $497, which can be a big investment if you're just starting out. In future, it might be costing you around $2,000. And the second con is like there is some setup required. Even though it's mostly done for you, you need to follow a few instructions before you get started. So the question is, should you use ABS? Well, ABS is perfect for beginners who want to get started with affiliate marketing without too much technical setup. It's also great for experienced marketers who want to scale their business and create a unique brand presence. So is ABS worth your time is the question now. if you're serious about affiliate marketing and want a system that's packed with features like branding, funnels, and traffic training, then ABS is definitely worth considering. So if you want to learn more about the affiliate business system, then I request you to click the first link in the description down below, get registered, and watch the free masterclass. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. And also there is a free ebook waiting for you. You can find it in the first or second link in the description anywhere. Please download it and go across with my free training, and you'll be really shocked after listening to it. Alright guys, so have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye.